Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, this is Nikki. So we're just finished with our shower routine, and then we're gonna go up for something to do. Just keep on watching.
Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
Morning. It's not morning. It's 12 noon, and I'm cooking. That's our fried rice for today. And then I am now will cook salmon. So we will continue our cooking, guys, for our lunch because I'm hungry. My heart is nagpiti-piti ng atong nilungag. Nagpiti-piti ng atong iprito. This is plastic. It will be melting, no? We'll be eating. So I will gonna drink mojito. Mojito. So guys, mojito, let's drink.
See how I peel off the skin. Hey.
Finish eating, guys.
Maar dat is altijd zo.
A few moments later.
So guys, maliligo muna tayo, guys. We just have a hot shower. And after this our shower, we gonna do yoga or a try and house. And then we will wait for 3 minutes. Just a quick shower, not even 6 minutes. Oh la la, oh la la la. So we can have a towel. So later on, we're gonna have a try on or yoga. So, we're ready. So guys, we have this Twisty hair towel or twisty hair or hair. Guys, we have this Twisty hair towel. So this is new. We just bought this from Action. So I'm gonna use it. See that? And then like that. See that? And there is a lock. This lock. Oh, see that? We're gonna find lock. And here is the button. Here is the button. See that? So we can put in there. See?
As I lose myself around you, girl, you got some kind of way.